Hi guys, welcome to Math Simplified with Mr. I. Today on this episode we're going to be learning about mixed numbers and how to change them into improper fractions. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you how to go forward and backwards, meaning go back from improper fractions back to mixed numbers. Alright, let's go ahead and do the first one. So let's say we had 2 and 1/2. So if you have a whole number with a fraction, that's called a mixed number. So it's going to be 2 times 2 plus 1. Okay? So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 over 2. So this 2 comes here, and it's going to be 5 over 2. Okay? And that is your improper fraction. I'm going to highlight to show you where things came from, right? So if I look at here, right? So this one here, this 2 is this 2, okay? And then let me do a blue to show you, right? So this 1 here is that 1 here, okay? And then lastly, let me show you with the yellow where the 2 times 2 comes from, right? So the 2 times 2 is this yellow here, okay? So 2 times 2 gave you this 4. Hopefully you can see that on the screen. So you had 2 times 2 is 4, and then you got plus 1, which is just the numerator. That's 5 over your denominator 2. The denominator does not change. As you've seen, 2 is here, here, and here. It does not change, okay? Let's go back to the red color. Now, we went from a mixed number to an improper fraction, okay? Let's go backwards from a mixed number to, let's go backwards from an improper fraction to a mixed number, okay? So we have 5 over 2. That's that number there. We need to get 2.5, right? How do you do this? First you put 5 here, right? And you divide it by 2. 2 into 5 is 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4 minus, is going to be 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 doesn't go inside there, right? So it's just a remainder of 1. So first you take 2, that's this guy here, comes here, and then the remainder here is going to 1 over 2. And again, I'm going to show you where these came from, right? So the first 2, right? This 2 is this 2. And then I'm going to show you where this one came from, right? So you have this 2 is this guy here, okay? And then the final one is this one here, is this one here. So you can see it's 2. How many times it went in was twice. And then is the remainder is the 1. And then what is it over? The 2. And that's how you get that same, this thing here, right? This is called the mixed number, and we got the mixed number again, okay? We're going to try one, and you're going to do it, okay? So let's go ahead. And I'm going to write on this one, let's say 1 and 1/3. So pause the video and take it from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Just do that first, nothing else. Okay, unpause it. This is where we're going to do it. 1 times 3 plus 1. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 over this number, which is 3. That's going to be 4 over 3. If you got that, give yourself a thumbs up, right? Now from this, I want you to go back from here, right? 4 over 3, and I want that improper fraction into a mixed number. Go ahead and do that yourself. Pause the video, unpause, let's do it together. So you got 4 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now, look, this one first comes out here. This one is going to go on top. And this is going to go on the bottom, so divided by 3. Look, 1 and 1/3. That's what we had before, and we got that again. 1 and 1/3. So if you had this answer, 1 and 1/3, you got the answer. Give yourself a pat on the back. That's Math Simplified with Mr. I. And hey, you just went from taking a mixed number to an improper fraction and back to a mixed number. You did great. I'll catch you on the next one.